Hi love, my name is Mitchell. I'm a fashion tutor. In this video, you will learn how to draft an elegant dress with square neckline, A-line sleeve and side plaits. This is the shoulder line, the armhole line, bust line and waist line. The neck width is 3.5 and the depth is 5.5 inches for the front. The back is 3.5 inches width and 1 inch depth. The shoulder slope is 1 inch. On the armhole line, mark the bust circumference divided by 4. Do the same on the bust line. On the waistline, you mark the waist circumference divided by 4. Make the armhole curve. For the bust dart is the difference between the shoulder to waist measurement on the front and back. Mark the nip to nip measurement. That's where the bust dart will start from. When you're about to cut it, fold your pattern paper like this. Then smoothing the line like this. You fold the pattern paper like this and you smoothing the line, you straighten it. You do it like this before you cut. After cutting, you should have something like this. For the skirt parts, fold your fabric in a triangular form like this. Mark the waist measurement on this part. This is the waist measurement. Then on this side, mark the length of the skirt. After that, you cut. You cut double of this, one for the front and one for the back, but you make sure the back has zip allowance. On the side, go up by 2 inches and blend the line like this. Then you cut it. After cutting, you sew the front and back together. Then you come down by 1 inch. That's from the waist, you measure 1 inch and make a freehand curve like this. You cut it. Remember, you will be cutting the front and the back because you have sewn them together. The cutout, place it on another pattern paper. If you're working with a material that has pleats already, what you will do is to add a sewing allowance around it and just cut. But if your material is plain without pleats, you cut it like this. Place it on the pattern paper like this. Then you cut. Make sure you add sewing allowance around it. Next, you're going to attach it back to the place you cut it out from, making sure you pleat it. This is the final result. For the sleeve is an A-line. It's A-line. So what you do is you decide on the length you want. You make the armhole curve. Then on the hemline, you make sure it's very wide because it's an A-line. Also, if your material doesn't have pleat already, you have to pleat the sleeve. That means you have to add some inches to the armhole line so you will be able to make the pleats. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, give it a like. If you're not part of the family, do subscribe. Leave your questions in the comment section and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.